Before thee, Lord, I bow my head and thank thee for what has been said. My soul vibrates, my poor heart sings when thy sweet spirit strikes the strings. How sweet thy word I've heard this day. Be thou my guide, O Lord, I pray. May I in patience do my part, seal thou the word upon my heart. Do thou, O Lord, anoint mine eyes, that I may see and win the prize. My heart is full, mine eyes are wet. Oh, help me, Lord, lest I forget. So may my soul be filled with light, that I may see and win the fight. And then at last, exalted be in peace and rest, O Lord, with thee. Look up, my soul, be not cast down. Keep not thine eyes upon the ground. Break off the shackles of the earth. Receive my soul, the Spirit's birth. And now as I go forth again to mingle with my fellow men, stay thou nearby, my steps to guide, that I may